I received this phone in mail for repair. So I just took it apart and I see that burning LCD over there. Okay, good. Bring it here. Yep, the connector is melted. So the phone is booting, and I do have the Apple logo now. This is just a test screen. So this repair is for the data recovery. Yeah, I do see the number 6 is not working. I don't know, because this screen is cracked. So all this like 5 and 4 they don't work. So all this spot here is not work. So this phone is ready to get the data, and this all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.